So friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing integrity error in your Apex Legends, so guys watch this video till end, because in this video I am showing how to fix this error problem in Apex Legends. So guys watch this video till end, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So the 4 easy ways to fix is the number 1, by uninstalling daemon tools. This is the first way to fix. Now going on the second step, the second step is by reinstalling the EA app. Okay, so guys, the second step is by reinstalling the EA app. Now the third is reinstall the game. Reinstalling the game is also the fix of this error problem. Now going on the last and the fourth way is clear game or launcher cache. I hope guys you understand what I am saying. These 4 ways will help you in this error problem. So guys, do like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.